What comes to mind when you think of robotics? Maybe you picture a humanoid robot, like C-3PO from Star Wars. Or maybe you think of an assembly line, where robots tirelessly work alongside humans to build cars and other products. But did you know that the history and development of robotics dates back thousands of years? That's right. The concept of automata, or self-operating machines, can be traced back to ancient times. But it wasn't until the 20th century that robotics as we know it today began to take shape. The first industrial robots were developed in the 1950s, and were primarily used in the automotive industry. These early robots were large, expensive, and could only perform simple tasks. But over time, researchers and engineers continued to refine and improve robotic technology, developing new sensors, actuators, and control systems that allowed robots to perform more complex tasks. Today, robots are used in a wide range of industries and applications, from manufacturing and transportation to healthcare and agriculture. They are capable of performing tasks that are dangerous, difficult, or impossible for humans to perform, and are increasingly being integrated into society and everyday life. Looking to the future, the development of new technologies such as soft robotics, nanorobotics, and swarm robotics is likely to further expand the capabilities and applications of robotics in the years to come. The history and development of robotics is a fascinating topic, and one that continues to evolve and grow with each passing year. Who knows what amazing things robots will be able to do in the future? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more content like this. See you soon.